What is the differences between protein powder and meal replacement? When we talk about protein powder, basically it's just referring to protein only. But when we talk about meal replacement, it is referring to complete and balanced nutrition, which means that it contains all macro and micronutrients that our body need in the right amount. Okay, this is very important, in the right amount. And in the market, there are many products, especially the beverage products. They claim them as a meal replacement, but actually they are not. There are a few criteria to meet before they can claim them as a meal replacement. First, the total calorie should be around 200 to 400 kilocal. Some, they are not even meeting 100 kilocal, but they still call them as meal replacement, which is wrong. Number two, the protein content should contribute around 25 to 50% of the total calorie, and one day cannot exceed 125 grams. Number three, the calorie from oil or fat should not more than 30% of the total calorie. Number four, the product should contain at least 25 to 33% of the vitamins and minerals that our body needs in a day. If they meet all these criteria, then only they can call themselves as a meal replacement. But if they are not, then they should not call them as a meal replacement, because if consumer misunderstand and they use it as a meal replacement to replace their meal every day for a long time, then it might be ended up with lacking of nutrients, and this might lead to other health problems.